20,000 feet. Wind speed nominal. Visibility is clear. Stand by for drop.
I hope you don't mind helping us out again. I called ahead and got the all clear from the General. I'm sure you've got a lot of questions. Don't worry, he'll fill you in when you arrive. You'll be dropping in on the outskirts of the Top Hat launch site. We've also got a squad waiting for you when you arrive. Alright, time to drop.
There he is.
Do you think he's as legendary as they say?
Henry. Really kept us waiting, huh? Nice to meet the legend in person. Henry, glad to see you made it safely. Let me introduce you to your squad. First off is John Pilkson. He's been doing this for 30 years and he excels at stealth. He'll be your go-to man for anything involving stealth. He'll be going by the codename Frog. Next up is Gordon Banks. He's a master when it comes to electronics. He knows his way around any interface, and he'll be very helpful when it comes to hacking. He'll be going by the codename Eel. Lastly, we have Amelia Esteban, demolitions expert. She's known to tackle problems head-on and will blow a hole in any problem. Her codename? Turtle. General. What's all this about? Frog. I'll run through the briefing again. We recently learned of the Top Hat clan's plan to launch a space station into orbit around the Earth. If they're able to get this station operational, they'll become unstoppable. They'll be able to attack any place around the world easily, with no way for anyone to counterattack. The Top Hats? Weren't they brought down by Henry? Unfortunately, no. Only their leader was captured. They're now being led by the previous right-hand man. The right-hand man? I thought he was defeated. Seems someone's fixed him up and given him cybernetic enhancements to boot. He'll be quite a handful to deal with. So we're just cleaning up another mess. Well, it is what you do best. Your mission is to capture or eliminate the right-hand man. We'll be launching an all-out assault on the compound at the same time, our focus being on preventing the rocket from launching. Sounds like a good time. That's why we're sending all you. Good luck out there, Henry. The raid's starting. Let's get in there and find it. We need to get past that guard. Hey! Wait.
Wololo.
Narwini. You, stand guard.
Erectus.
There's no one here. They must be out fighting.
Looks like they left in a hurry.
I've gotten into their security feed. Looks like the right-hand man is holed up in the warehouse. The hulls are completely empty. We should be able to get close without getting detected. What's the plan, sir?
Keep the door secure.
There he is.
Let's do this.
Hey! Oh, are we doing a dog pile?
Heck yeah, dog pile?
Heck yeah, dog pile.
This gadget will launch a cluster of bombs through the door.
We'll provide suppressing fire. You loop around and get behind him. Now go!
Hang on. You! I see you, Henry. I was gonna hunt you down when we got set up, but now you just fall right into my lap. Go on your feet. I'll give you one shot. My son.
Aye, who's that? He's got the boss.
No.
No, he's killed him. Yo, we is needing like a new boss man.
Henry, we gotta put a stop to these top hats. Come on.
Never mind, guess the leader's got him.
Hold it. The top hats are finished. You're not going anywhere.
What is happening?
Stand back, Henry. I'll take care of this guy.
What are you doing? You're our boss. You're really gonna side with the guy who locked up the chief?